In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add your travel itineraries from Expedia to your Apple Wallet. This handy trick ensures that all your travel details are right at your fingertips whenever you need them. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First, we'll need to open up a trusted web browser on your device and head over to the Expedia website. Now, Expedia is your go-to platform for all things travel related, from booking flights and hotels to browsing exciting travel packages. It's very user-friendly, which makes it our perfect partner for this task. Once you're there, if you haven't already, sign into your account. This will grant you access to all your existing travel bookings and make the whole process much smoother. Now that you're logged in, look for the Trips section on the site. This is essentially your personal travel hub. Here, Expedia stores all your planned journeys, both past and upcoming. As you explore this section, you'll see a list of all the reservations you've made through the site. Choose the specific trip that you want to add to your Apple Wallet. Once selected, this action will take you to the Overview page of your booking details. In this section, Expedia provides a full rundown of your itinerary, including but not limited to flight times, ticket numbers, and more. While you're on the Overview page, you'll notice that the interface is designed to be as intuitive as possible, providing a summary of every detail you need. Here, Expedia presents you with the option to add these details directly to your Apple Wallet. Simply click on the Add to Apple Wallet button. This fantastic feature allows you to have a digital version of your boarding passes or travel confirmations right there on your phone. The Apple Wallet feature is particularly advantageous because it not only keeps all your important travel documents in one convenient location, but also makes them accessible offline, which is incredibly valuable in areas where internet connectivity might be an issue or when you're on the move. Once the details are added to your wallet, you'll have them ready to scan at the airport or hotel, saving you from the hassle of rifling through paperwork or searching through emails to find booking confirmations. And just like that, you're all set. With your travel plans securely stored on your Apple Wallet, preparing for your adventure has never been more straightforward. Remember, the process we've gone through today can be completed just as easily on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, as long as you have access to your Apple Wallet. Thank you for watching this tutorial on integrating Expedia with your Apple Wallet. I hope you found it useful and that it helps make your travel experience just a little bit more seamless and enjoyable. Safe travels, and see you next time.